On today's episode, we make a peanut butter and jelly milkshake.
I want to try it.
Just try a sip. Just try a sip.
What's up, everybody, and welcome to Dad Got This. What are we making today? Today, we're making another Disney recipe. I miss my Disney. So I'm making a recipe straight out of the Disney parks. This is actually from the Disney parks website. We're talking about probably the best milkshake in all of Disney, the peanut butter and jelly milkshake from the 50s Primetime Cafe. If you don't know about the 50s Primetime Cafe, it's located in Hollywood Studios, and it's this retro themed restaurant where they got tube TVs on the tables. Everything's all linoleum and retro themed, and they're all dressed 50s, but they make this milkshake and it's fantastic. And the recipe's really easy, and they gave it to us because they know we're missing the parks. So we're gonna whip up a peanut butter and jelly milkshake real quick here. Trusty blender. There is nothing to this. To even call this a recipe is funny. You need 2 cups of vanilla ice cream. You need a 1/4 cup of milk. Then you need 2 tablespoons of strawberry or grape, either one, jelly, and 2 tablespoons of good old-fashioned creamy peanut butter. Now you can adjust the peanut butter and jelly levels to your taste, they say, but this is what they say to use. Now pop it down, turn it on, and we are gonna go blend until smooth. That's it. This bad boy's done. Probably should have got a smaller glass. I think my blender didn't do so good a job. I got a glop. No, it's just a glop of ice cream. I thought it was the peanut butter or the jelly, but it's not. Now, it's not a milkshake. Got a little whipped cream. Let's give this a try. Oh, that's fantastic. You get the peanut butter, you get the jelly, creamy ice cream. It's perfect. I am not eating ice cream, I'm eating a milkshake, which I will give you some. She heard me say the word ice cream. So, she's back there doing school.
All right, everybody, my little helper is done with school. You didn't think I was gonna get to make a milkshake video without my little helper. Now, this is a peanut butter and jelly milkshake.
I want to.
You like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches? So at least take a sip.
I want to try it.
Just try a sip. Just try a sip. No? Apparently she likes peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, but she doesn't want them in her milkshakes. Not a fan of that one. So for her, we are not gonna make a peanut butter and jelly milkshake. We're gonna make a strawberry banana milkshake. What we first need is about a cup to 2 cups of ice cream.
I love ice cream.
So we're gonna go ahead and throw some ice cream in there. Can you peel that banana for me, please? No, you can't. What? I don't think you can peel a banana. All right, plop it in. Yep, don't put your hand in the blender, just drop the banana. There you go. And then we've got some frozen strawberries.
Are they really cool?
They are. We're gonna throw just a handful of those in there. Well, the last thing you need to make it a milkshake.
Milk!
A little bit of milk. This is gonna be about a 1/4 cup of milk.
You can't make a milkshake without milk.
Because you can't make a milkshake without milk.
It has milk in it.
It has milk in the name.
And it has milk in the name, okay?
Okay. There we go.
And now we're gonna mix it again.
Yep. Because
How many times are you gonna mix it?
I don't know. I mix it as many times as it needs to be completely mixed. All right. I think we have a strawberry banana
Oh, and don't forget
milkshake.
the soup and rainbow soup. They have unicorn and the dots inside.
Yeah. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna do it over the sink in case it makes a mess.
Ooh, that looks so good. Ooh, I can't wait to try.
Stand up here. Stand up here and try it.
Okay.
Of course, this is your milkshake. That one you like? All right, hold on. We gotta do a photo real quick because I have to do a photo with the kiddo. All right, everybody. We've made some milkshakes today. The day is done. What doesn't Dad do?
That doesn't do outros. Outros. So that's it.
That's it. Bye.
So that's it. That's this tiny, quick, super fast little Disney recipe. I love my Disney and I miss my Disney. If you're enjoying my content, I'd ask that you consider subscribing. It helps me out and, give the video a thumbs up, maybe share it with some friends. All that kind of stuff is helpful to me to grow this channel. I also have other channels if you're interested. I do the Disney stuff specific. I go character warehouse shopping. I do all kinds of stuff. I go to the parks when it was open and it wasn't a pandemic. So check out the Dad Got Parks channel. All these links are in the description along with the recipe for this.